So this is our introduction. We have a few key features such as creating a workout schedule, tracking progress, listening to music, and finding a community. We think it's really important for people, especially young college students, to have an organized way of keeping track of their workouts. So we decided to build this workout planner, which has really cool key features so that they can best organize their day and make sure they're hitting the gym consistently. And then this is our tech stack. We use the merge stack as suggested in the CS35L page. First, we have MongoDB, which is the database that we decided to use. It stores user movement workouts and logs workout data. Then we have Express.js, which just makes API requests. Essentially, what it does is it makes it so we can communicate from the front end to the back end. Then we have React.js plus Vite. React.js just makes handling the front end a lot easier. And then we set it up using Vite. And finally, we have Node.js, which is a real-time environment based on JavaScript.
We have three core features to this app, which include displaying dynamic data, which are dashboards user-specific that include the workouts that they saved or created. And the user's saved workouts are stored in the workouts list, and the dashboard will update in real time as the user adds or removes workouts. And the second feature is how they upload data, so users can log workouts when they complete them with like specific parameters on how many sets and reps they did, which can also include notes and total duration. And the user's logged workouts are stored in the logged workouts list of their user object in the database. And these logged workouts are retrieved and displayed in the dashboard in the logged workouts tab, as well as in the analytics page. And our third feature is a meaningful search query where users can search through all the workouts listed in the database to save to their profile. And they can search for movements when creating their own workouts, which is in our demo, and the search works by name or the body region of their workout.
We have security. We have a layer of security with login, and users must create an account that has a valid email, username, name, and password. And all this information is saved in the user database with an encrypted password. After users log in, they receive a JSON web token that expires within 24 hours. And if users are not logged in and they try to click to any other page without a JSON web token, they're redirected back to the login page. Now I'll talk about some additional features in our first one is schedule workouts, in which users can schedule up to 2 workouts per day, including Saturday and Sunday, but it's not pictured here because it's off the screenshot. They can add or remove workouts from each day using the plus minus buttons, and each user has a schedule list in the database that associates with each one of the 7 days. Functionalities in this page includes displaying data from the server, so displaying all the workouts, uploading data, so saving each workout to the schedule, and searching through data. So if you see on the right side, you can search through the workouts.
I know this one a lot better than the rest.
And the next one is the friends option, in which users can search for other users and choose to follow them. They can also see their friends' saved or created workouts from the profile, as well as how many other workouts they've completed. A list of all the users' friends can be accessed through the following button on the dashboard as well. The user's friends are stored in the friends list in the user's object of the database. And some functionalities incorporated in this page is displaying data from the server, so displaying all the friends, uploading data, and having a meaningful search for the data.
Next feature is setting movement goals. This page displays data of all the movements from the server onto this page. Users can then search through all these movements to find the specific one that they want to set a custom numeric goal, which can be a mile time, the number of pounds to lift, and so on. Then when they put in their goal and click Save Goal, that data gets uploaded into the goals list in the user's object of the database, thus uploading data from client to server. The next feature is the logged workout analytics. In order to track their progress, we display data from the server, which is all of their logged workouts, and the logged workouts list of the user's object will be seen here. The user can search through either movements or workouts, and all the data they have for that corresponding movement or workout will be displayed. Users can also see their streaks and compare their personal records with the goals that they set from the previous feature. Our final feature is Spotify. Users can log into their Spotify premium accounts in order to play music from any of the playlists that they have created. They can play, pause, skip, and go back to songs. This data is not actually stored in the server because Spotify will give them an access token that expires in a limited amount of time. And this page does allow for searching through all of a user's created playlists.
So now we're going to start the demo. So I'm currently not signed into any account. So if I click on any of these pages, it's just going to take me to the login page, but I don't have an account yet, so we're going to sign up. So I'll just put my username, my email, my name, password, and then create an account. But we made that so that your password has to be at least 8 characters for security reasons. And then this username's already taken, so I have to come up with a unique one. And then it let me create my account. So then we're gonna log into that account that I just made. Okay, and now it takes me to my dashboard. So I currently don't have any workouts because it's a new account. So I can find some on the Explore tab. And so here I can search for workouts. I can search either by body region or by the workout name itself. And so you can just scroll through here. I can add a couple of these to my dashboard. And then you can view the workout on the dashboard and see all of the workouts, including, you know, the sets and reps goals for that workout. And then if you click on log workouts, I currently don't have anything, but let's say we did one of these workouts and now we can choose to log it. And so let's say I did 10 and 15 here, and then the best today can be customized whatever you want. So let's say I did 30 total, and then plan sets, let's say I did 10, and then duration, I only did 15 minutes of this, and then my best today would be 15 for that, but you can kind of customize that whatever you want, and you'll see it on the stats page, and then I'll just say this was a good workout, and then we can log this. And now on logged workouts, you can see this workout with the date and all of the data I entered. And then we also have the option to create a workout. So this new workout, and you can pick the body region. I'll say this is a lower workout. And then I can search for different movements, like we can add a leg press and we can add a barbell squat, and then I can pick the number of sets and the reps or duration depending on the movement. And so we'll do 5, and then we'll do, and then 10 for that. And then I'm creating the workout, and now you can see that here. And you can see the workout I just created. And then I can also choose to remove workouts. And then I can go to my schedule page and create a schedule for the week. So I can search for different workouts. We can add that workout we just made to Monday, let's say. And then different days of the week, I can add different workouts. Oops, I just click to view it. So we can add different workouts to different days of the week. And we can also remove them. And then
I'm now logged into a different account that has the full schedule as seen here. Obviously, because we are a workout app, we want to be able to set goals, which is why we have a goals page. Users are able to search for any movement. For example, I might want to have a push-up, and then I can set a specific goal. Like perhaps I want to be able to do 30 push-ups in a row. I can save that goal, just thus sending the data to the server. And then if I leave the page and come back to it, we're displaying the data from the server, so all these goals are saved as part of the user's object in the database. After we have these goals, we want to see how close we are to getting towards these goals. So on the stats page, we can see all the goals we have, as well as our personal records from this table. Each row in this table is an observation, which is every single time that you logged a workout. I can search for a specific movement, like a pull-up, and we can get a table of all the data of every time we have ever done a pull-up. I can also search by workouts, for example, upper body, and I can see all the upper body workouts. From this data, we can compare our personal records to our goals, and we also have a record of our streaks, which is the number of times we've gone daily workouts. We can also search for friends. For example, I can choose to be friends with the account we made earlier in this demo, and I can choose to follow this person, and from here, I can choose to go back to our friend and add one of their workouts into my profile. So when I go to my dashboard, I now have their workout. I can then choose to go back to them and then unfollow their account. Finally, because we are a workout app and people love to listen to music while doing their workouts, rather than having a separate app, we can directly log into your Spotify premium account by clicking the Play Spotify button. I'm already logged into my Spotify account, so this pulls from all of the playlists that I've created so far. I can search for specific playlists, and then once I click on them, I can choose to play music and choosing to either go forward or go back and pause the songs.